Fundamentals of Vedanta. In the previous videos, we have studied the spirituo-physical personality structure of the human being and seen the nature of the five matter layers of the sheaths enveloping the Atman, namely the food sheath, the vital air sheath, the mental sheath, the intellectual sheath, and the bliss sheath. The Atman is the core of the five sheath structure and is the subtlest of all. The five sheaths are like the layers of clothes worn by man, which are totally different from the wearer. Similarly, the Atma is distinct and separate from the five matter layers. Within the food sheath is the vital air sheath, and within the vital air sheath is the mental sheath, and so on. And the Atman is the innermost. This may give an idea that Atman located in the matter layers is very minute, while the Upanishads declare Atma to be all pervading. In the philosophical context, the term within is meant to be understood as subtler. When a sheath is said to be interior to another, it only indicates that the inner one is subtler than the outer. As a rule, the subtler controls, regulates, feeds, and nourishes the grosser. Hence, we can say the Atman, which is the subtlest, is the controller and nourishes all the five layers. Again, subtlety in philosophy is measured by pervasiveness. For example, when a piece of ice cube melts, the water so formed occupies a larger area, and hence, in philosophy, water is considered as subtler than ice. Again, if the water is boiled, the water vapor generated spreads itself in the entire atmosphere of the room. Water vapor is therefore considered subtler than water. Similarly, the food sheath or the physical body is the grossest of all the five sheaths. The vital air sheath, consisting of the five pranas, is more pervasive than the food sheath, since the perceptions go further than the physical boundaries of the physical body. Refer Kindle Life 23.4 for nature of the five pranas. The mind is subtler than the vital air sheath as it travels to realms which are beyond the area of perceptions and other physiological functions. The intellect has the capacity to travel beyond the realms of the mind and penetrates realms unknown and so subtler than the mind. Refer Kindle Life 23.5. The bliss sheath, consisting of vasanas, is the subtlest of the five layers as it pervades the above four layers and also is present independently in the state of deep sleep where none of the other layers have access. The five sheaths have no separate existence as such. They are analyzed only for the purpose of study.